It was a stormy start for Maharashtra Assembly's monsoon session. 12 BJP MLAs have already been suspended from the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly for 1 year for misbehaving with the presiding officer Bhaskar Jadhav in the Speaker's chamber on Monday. The BJP MLAs are Parag Alwani, Ram Satpute, Sanjay Kute, Ashish Shelar, Abhimanyu Pawar, Girish Mahajan, Atul Bhatkharkar, Harish Pimpre, Jaykumar Rawal, Yogesh Sagar, Narayan Kuche and Kirti Kumar Bhangadia. The motion was moved by State Parliamentary Affairs Minister Anil Parab and passed by a voice vote after the MVA-led state government accused the MLAs of using abusive language and creating a ruckus inside the assembly. However, former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has called the allegations as false, stating that the opposition would boycott the House proceedings. This is a false allegation and attempt to reduce the numbers of opposition benches because we expose the government's falsehood on the OBC quota in local bodies, Fadnavis said. He in turn blamed Shiv Sena leaders for using abusive words and accused Jadhav of giving a one-sided account. He said it was Shiv Sena MLAs who used abusive words. Fadnavis said, adding that Ashish Shelar had apologized and the matter had ended. Meanwhile, a resolution urging the centre to provide the 2011 census data to enable the State Backwards Class Commission to prepare an empirical data of the OBC population was passed by a voice vote amid uproar by the members of the opposition. BJP members then trooped into the well of the house and shouted slogans against the state government, and the leader of the opposition, Fadnavis, called the resolution politically motivated. The house saw 2 adjournments over the issue. The chair adjourned the house for 10 minutes after BJP members Girish Mahajan and Sanjay Kute climbed the speaker's podium and argued with the chair when Jadhav put the resolution for vote. Shiv Sena's Sunil Prabhu and NCP's Nawab Malik called for action against BJP members who had allegedly misbehaved with the presiding officer and manhandled him in the speaker's chamber. The BJP has now become aggressive on the issue and is protesting across the state on it. BJP protests are going on in different places in Maharashtra. Its repercussion is also being felt in legislature. BJP has started Abhirup Vidhan Sabha, which is the Prati Vidhan Sabha, on the steps of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. Leader of opposition in the Legislative Assembly, Devendra Fadnavis, proposed a protest against the government on the steps of the legislature.
मी ऐकून घेतलंय सगळं मागात प्लीज मी देतो संधी तुम्ही जागेवर त्याला मी संधी देतो असताना राज्य शासनाने वारंवार विनंती करून देखील केंद्र शासनाने माहिती अद्याप उपलब्ध करून दिली नाही. मागासवर्गीय इंटरनेट डाटा उपलब्ध करून देण्याची शासनाकडून राज्य शासनाला मागासवर्गीय येऊ द्या. अनुकूल असतील त्यांनी हो म्हणावे, प्रतिकूल असतील त्यांनी नाही.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.